My people of YouTube, welcome to Chainsaw Man with openings and ending, well, the opening and ending reactions to singular, as I kind of put S there as well. But I'm excited to dive into this because we're diving into anime as well. So other than that, sit back and relax. Let's get right into it. Ah. Hey, that bass. What's up with the wackiness? Is that an angel? I love how chill the cast looks. Meanwhile, we have Angel in the background. I'm sorry. That's just him just with the bag. It, ooh. Ooh. Oh. What are the drugs? I love the camera in the animation. Obviously, that's fucking dope. I don't. I'm getting jiggle with it. Hey. Not gonna lie, I've missed the openings already. I love the crew. The vibes from the crew. I actually hope it's like this throughout the anime. Like just them just chilling casually. They're bowling. They're literally bowling. I should know we have watched the first episode. We have. Wait, this motherfucker has a shark head. I just peep. This guy really has a shark head in the back. And then we have an angel over here in the background too. And then we're sitting here with our suits on. That's pretty dope, of course. We have watched the first episode. We have watched the first episode. Cheetah. I love the way it starts. You know this intro gives me vibes up right here. It gives me the you know that picture of the Beatles on the crosswalk type of shit. It gives me that vibes a little bit, even though they're not on the crosswalk in the middle of the street. I love that bass. Look up, it's so random. What are you doing with that fucking ball? That boy's a dog, bro. I think the chainsaw coming out. I love that animation, bro. Why are you digging? We have Evo Jotaro here. We got Jotaro. Nah, that's dope. I fuck with the opening. I like the opening a lot. I love the bass. The bass is hooked me in. The bass literally hooked me in that one. I love the visuals too. All right, so along with the openings, and ending reaction, we're gonna check out the opening references because some of you guys have told me that the openings have references to the they have references to movies, which I didn't see. I must be blind. Or like, because I watched a fair amount of movies, but it's like I didn't really see any. Yeah, so I feel like I'm just clueless now. I've watched Reservoir Dogs since fucking. That's a Reservoir Dog reference. It's a great fucking movie. I haven't watched it in years. Actually, I might watch it tonight. Actually, this is a good movie to watch. God damn, bro, it's been a minute since I've seen Reservoir. I haven't watched Reservoir Dogs since I was like little, not little, but like like I was like 13, 14. Hold on, that's the Texas Chainsaw Massacre shit. Wow, that's pretty cool. Got Pulp Fiction. I'm more Samuel Jackson. Hold on. No Country for Old Men too? Wow. I'm about to replicate everything from the shop, bro. Literally everything from the shop they replicated. That's pretty cool. Sadako versus Kayako. Never watched this movie. Wait, no. Yeah, I never watched it. This one, I wasn't gonna catch one single bit. I did watch Once Upon a Time in Hollywood a couple of years ago. Good movie. What I've called this because it's kind of not basic, but it's very easy shot. Attack of the Killer Tomatoes. Don't Look Up. Never watched it. That's dope. Jacob's Ladder. Constantine. Damn. Shit. My boy Keanu coming back. Chainsaw Man chapter 39. Oh, this is actually a manga shot. Oh, that's cool. The Big Lebowski. I've never actually watched The Big Lebowski. Never watched it, but I've heard of a reference to it. That's what I see in the bag, the volleyball. I thought that would be a movie reference. It's not. Wait, what? The C, S, and M shaped holes? It's kind of fast. That's New Genesis. What the fuck? The one that looks familiar. Was that 01? Oh my god, it's a Fight Club reference. Oh my god, I might have missed that one. Sayonara Eddie. I thought that was supposed to be a reference right there too. That Shawa Aki Power and Nenji. I thought this would have been an actual shot to remember a reference that I might have missed the Fight Club one because I watched Fight Club the other day. I might have missed that reference. Fuck. Honestly, I wouldn't have caught any of the references. I wouldn't have. That's actually pretty fucking dope. I'll fuck with the heavy, but that was dope. That's actually pretty dope. I'll leave it. Yeah, it's a different ending. It's actually a different ending. Chain spinning. Literally Denji. Ooh, literally Denji. Ooh. This is nice. Chainsaw blood. It's a banger. That's actually pretty good. That was actually a completely different song, which is fucking dope. I fuck with that. I mean, I like the bass from the ending, the original ending, but this one actually is a nice jammer too. All right. Fucking power. Fucking powers. Your fucking maniacal laugh is funny. All right, let's get to the ending. I'm gonna blast this high enough, bro. I need to put this higher. Yeah, bass. Ooh. I love the bass. Nah. ADHD on deck. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. That's tough. Oh, we're going upside down. How the fuck hit that note? How do you make your voice sound like that light and high? Ooh, that thing was fire. How the fuck we hit that? The little. I'm not gonna try to replicate it because I'm gonna die. But like that part, that little part, the background shit. I'm not gonna replicate it. But how the hell do you hit that note like that high? Like, you know, that high pitch. Oh, that shot. I mean, it's a simple shot, but it's a cool shot. It's a nice, cool shot of the kicks. But I love the bass. I absolutely love the bass from the opening and ending. I love them. It just hooks you in there. I love a good bass, bro. Oh my god, that was impeccable. I love the visuals too. I love the visuals, and you know, it gives you the vibes. It gives you the vibes of, like, you know, like a not calm, but like, you know, like a very chill squad, like a very chill cast of characters. Yeah, you know, they go well together, just relaxing, doing their own shit while chilling here, and then killing devils as well, you know, type of shit. It gives you those kind of vibes. It really gives you those vibes. The opening ending. Obviously, we did watch the first episode, so we kind of know where we're headed at. Not headed at, but like, you know, the premise of like, you know, some of the shit, like, about, you know, Denji having chainsaws type of shit, you know. So that's good. But I fucked the opening ending. I liked them a lot. I liked it a lot. I would say. Damn, I think the opening is dope though. I like the opening too. Yeah. Now, let me not sum myself up for failure because I wasn't sure the favorite, but honestly, I like both of them a lot. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my Patreon for early access to my chainsaw man videos. Come support your boy, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. There it is. This shit is creepy. I'm the zombie devil. It's like some horror movie type shit. Oh shit. These visuals are insane, bro. That Pochita's a heart? So this. Oh, the Makima appears, so it goes cleanly. It's like an angel, a savior. Ooh, the switch up. Man, that grunginess of it. Damn. That was I like the bass. I like the bass. I like the bass at the beginning. He goes, eh. Not really my type. Not really my type of music there. Yeah, that is Pochita as a heart. I like the shot of Aki. Where is it? It's shot Aki with the Makimas in the background. Fuck. And Denji called it up. This one. Like, that's its own shot. The color of it. Yeah, power eyes. Damn, bro. All right, let's go. Oh my god, power. This is the power ending, basically. It's literally a power fantasy, basically. Damn, throw the veggies. Oh. Yay. Hey. That's smooth. Ah. Ooh, that was good. That was pretty good. Hey, hold on, bitch. But that was pretty good. That was pretty good. I love the way they animated power, like her little dance to and like her going through the different dresses. I know whoever's on Team Power loves her so much that you happy seeing this ending, seeing her different outfits and stuff. But that was a good opening. I mean, that was a good ending. That was a good ending. Oh shit. That's literally the hotel we're in right now. That's literally the hotel we're in right now. What in the unicorn horse? What the fuck happened to the horse? The centaur? Ah, Denji and Makima? Ooh, what a shot. The fact that the horse keeps evolving and to get it worse and worse is wild. Ooh, look at the way it's animated for the movement. It's made out of hands and eyes. Oh, that was tough. That was tough. That was tough. Like the fact that the horse evolved into a unicorn, then evolved to the Monica shit, then evolved to like the hands too. That was pretty dope. This is basically the hotel that we're in right now too. It's a clusterfuck. It's a big ass clusterfuck, bro. I don't know what's up with the hotel. That's cool. It's actually pretty cool. It's like Denji's heart a little bit. Yeah, like it's like Denji's heart with the chainsaws. Yeah, you have the little shit to pull it and rip it off. That's it. Oh shit. Hey. The Eternity Devil. Oh, look at that. Look at my boy Denji. Actually, looks like an eye. Cheetah. Ooh, the door. Oh shit, that was cool. Oh my god. Oh, look at all the static of it. OTV'd everything. I might see the actual episode on TV. That's pretty cool. That's a game. It's been the anime so far. That's fan service for y'all. Oh my. Yeah, I did it again with Rainbow. It doesn't help your case. My poor bro, Denji, bro. Get on. The fact that I don't replay on these is crazy. I feel bad for him when I watch this now. After getting clout, bro? Shit. He got lit up too, bro. Oh shit. Whose side is that? He might have got him into Tokugo one. That's it. Actually, him right now in heaven, bro. Wherever she's at. Damn, it's literally, yeah, it's literally just that. It's literally just Himeno's, Himeno, how you pronounce her name? Basically, her death, basically, her just dying, her in the the fields of heaven, basically. That was depressing. I mean, the song was fire. The song, I'm not sure. It reminds me a little bit of Tokyo Ghoul. It reminds me of Oshiteo. That's what it reminds me of a little bit. The singer reminds me of, I don't know if it's the same band, same artist, but it kind of reminds me of that one. But oh my god, hold on. Oh, even though, look. Oh my god, here it goes. Damn, it's beautiful. Oh shit! Oh shit! God, just see Maki with his, Ooh. The cigarette. Oh, a cigarette. I love that ending. That was great. That was a great ending. Wait, hold on. That was honestly a great ending. That ending, I think that ending might be my favorite one. That ending might be my favorite one, honestly. I don't know what it is. It's a lit ending. It's so cool to see that, you know, using the visualization with him and dying and stuff. That was crazy. That we see Makima just, you know, just, that was dope. That was a good ass ending, but. Did you with the guaguaos? The foot's gonna go crazy. Are these actual shots of your life with the foot's on? It definitely is. Oh shit. Bobby Devil. Eternity. The Leech. Listen. Love the filter on it though. It's very unique. Go, then you go. It's pretty cool. That was cool. That was actually beautiful. Because it had like actual, hold on, bitch. It felt like an actual environment, but it had a filter over it. Some of these shots are actually real life. Like some of these shots are actually like actual, you know, like an actual picture or video. But like the interaction of the engineering side of it too. The song is banging as well. Like honestly, you guys haven't really missed. Like I love how every ending is drastically different. Of course, it relates to the events from the episode. But like it's been jamming. It's been different genres for the music as well, and they actually all been great. Like fuck, they've been awesome. That was pretty cool though. That was good. That was good. But oh shit. Oh, the black and the white too, the gray. Ooh. These are tough. And power got the moves, bro. Don't give it. What the fuck is that? Hey. Violence. I love the particle effects. I love the particle effects used for this ending too. That was good as OST as well. Hey, hold on, bitch, you gotta talk about the ending. But I love the visuals, the black, you know, the black and white, you know, keep it monotone. But even like the little particles used in the characters, even the setting for it is pretty cool as well. And then of course Power with the moves as well. Power always got the moves though. Power always got the moves, bro. Power definitely always got the move, but that was a banging ending. That was a banging OST. I fuck with it heavy too. Damn, that was cool, but the last ending, boys. That's not Meowie. I love the slice of life aspect of endings. Sometimes. It's nice. Oh my god. They just drain aside. That's smart. Ooh. Thanks for the cut. I love these shits. I love these moments. Post credit. Okay, hold on. I should do this now. Yeah, I should do this. I should do this now. How should I do? How should I go about it? Yeah, let me do a proper outro for the ending. Then we can finish the episode off. That way I can just have this on one go. They actually have this official ending the video. All right. But that concludes all the ending reactions for Chainsaw Man. I love the fact that every ending is very unique, and some of it pertains back to the episode, like it relates back to the episode, what happened during those events as well. But they're all bangers, honestly. Like there's probably like one that I didn't really resonate with, but that's pretty impressive considering there's 12 episodes. That's a lot of endings, but most of them have been fucking bangers and jamming, and they're all different. They're all unique differently as well in terms of genre. And I love I love these type of parts where like it's basically just Aki, Denji, and Power chilling together. No slice of life because it feels natural. Like their personalities and the way they work together, it feels so natural, and I love that shit. Like the dynamic is so entertaining to keep on watching. I do hope that for the next season, for the next season when we get like normal season like this, there's more like slice of life parts. I mean, it is a fucking insane wicked anime. So I doubt it. I doubt we're gonna get those scenes, but like those little times, where Denji and Power are chilling, talking, bickering each other. It's nice to see because like damn, it feels like a natural friendship type of vibes. But these were jamming. The opening was also a banger as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.